one arm up and lean back slightly. The front leg stays strong as the chest lifts. Lower the back knee and fold forward over the front leg. The back stays long and the hips gently soften. Come to standing and tip forward while lifting one leg behind you. The arms stretch out like wings as the body balances steadily. Stand on one leg and extend the other to the side while reaching opposite arm out. The body forms a strong, focused star shape. Sit back onto one heel while balancing on the toes of the other foot. The spine stays tall and the gaze remains steady. Come to all fours and lift the knees slightly off the mat. The back stays flat and the core stays firm. Arch the back upwards, pressing hands firmly into the mat. The neck relaxes as the spine curves. Slide arms forward and lower the chest toward the mat. The hips stay high while the chest melts down. Lie on your belly and press into your hands to lift the chest. The shoulders roll back gently while the gaze softens. Sit and lift both legs while keeping the back long. The belly stays tight and the arms stay steady beside the legs. Lie on your back and drop knees to one side. The chest stays open as the lower back gently twists. Pull both knees into the chest and rock slightly. The lower back relaxes and the body feels soothed. Lie on the back with arms wide and legs relaxed. The body feels open and calm, like fresh air entering a window.